And I sit there and I tell you the truth, some tears come on my eye.
Blessed love, my viewers and subscribers who are going, open all doing good, open all doing great. Now we're there again on the Soul Chat TV people with another Mutabaruka content, and trust me, Mutabaruka did get an invite to the Bob Marley movie premiere. And trust me people, Mutabaruka break down in tears after what him see happen over there. So you wanna watch this? It get really emotional, people, and I'm telling you, even me there, I'm speechless after watching this. So, you know what, make we jump straight tonight. And before we go tonight, you know it's a Black Power movement. So drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, and also share it to one friend or a family so they can be a part of the Black Power movement. And make we go straight tonight and see what Mutabaruka have to say about the Bob Marley movie premiere. Let's go.
We want to talk about Bob Marley, One Love. We're not going to give a critique of the movie. We're just going to talk about the relationship between what transpired in the movie and the audience that was present there. I was one of those who was invited because of my cameo presentation in the movie. No. You know, I sitting at the movie, I sitting at the theater, and I talk to my wife and I say, well, this is something else, see? Imagine when you look on the crowd outside and the people them who is outside, including the Prime Minister of Jamaica and the opposition leader, and two of the royal family of England. Not to mention all the people them who I know say is years and them a picnic them not go a Carib. Because most of them would have never find themselves below Crossroad. This is a Rasta man who's projected and portrayed in a movie. With all the bad word them, according to them, all the ganja smoking them, and all the drumming of the Rasta man them in the movie. This movie was able to draw everybody. And I sit there and I tell you the truth, some tears come on my eye. Why the tears come on my eye? Because when I just start sight Rastafari, there's no way Rasta would have dip on the screen. As a matter of fact, there was no way a Rasta man could have go a Carib. Not to mention a Rasta man who are going to barefoot. Because you have sign on the door. I tell you, say, no shirt, no this, no that, no shoes, no entry. And I live to see the Rasta man ideas and philosophy is pushed out on that big screen. And people who I know say don't like Rasta. And if them pick me, they ever come in at the house and say, them are going to side Rasta, they would have run them out immediately. Because I know you two come to me and say, why them have problem with them parents? I say, why? Because them going to say, Haile Selassie and I smoke herbs. Them, the parents say, them no want them in the house. As a matter of fact, and I swear to this, one youth come to me, uptown youth, and say, his mother tell him, say, I bet I'm going to turn a batty man than go turn Rasta. You hear me say? The mother say, I better you go turn a batty man than go turn a Rasta. Now, this is the thing where we did go through. We go through some serious cut off locks, beaten to death, run up where in the hills and mountain, can't come a street. For you come a street is persecuted, not only by police, but by the normal common people them. Them never like Rasta. Now we say it reached a stage now where a celebration of Rastafari is projected on a big screen. A man who look and do all the things them that is abomination to the system. And him sing against the system. Now we see the system hug him up. And the thing with them hug him up is one song. One love, one heart, let's get together and be all right. Look here, man. First of all, a lot of the lyrics to that song was written by Curtis Mayfield from The Impressions, dead now. That song was made from in the ska era. The ska era. That was like a song where you have in a Jamaican house say, put where the gun them and the bomb, too much killing are going on in our country. It was made for the times in Jamaica, because even in that time, you did have a whole heap of criminal and gun activities that are going on. And it's a very important part of the whole thing that right now we say that movie is going to make millions and it's going to bring millions to Jamaica in terms of tourism and the popularity that Jamaica achieved in the 60s and 70s. It's going to come forward again. We're going to come forward to it and get a second part.
And here Mutabaruka say, now I want to think about this movie. I personally think this movie is going to be revolutionary because the whole idea, the whole work and the whole movement is being projected on a screen for millions of people around the world to see what Rastafari is pursuing, so they will get an understanding of the whole movement. So hopefully all of who was misled about Rasta culture and the movement, hopefully they will get educated by this movie. And I hope this movie make a mark and a serious impact in our younger generation. So people, let me know what you think about the movie. Let me know what you think about what Mutabaruka say pertaining to this topic. And you know it's a Black Power movement. So be sure to drop a like and subscribe and share to a friend or family so they can also be a part of the Black Power movement. And I will catch you in the next one. Irie.